Core topic number 2, expansion, super hard level. Let's see the first example. There are 3 brackets multiply each other. The first bracket a plus 2b times the second bracket a minus 2b times the third bracket a squared plus 4b squared. So the first 2 brackets actually is in the same form as a plus b times a minus b. So a plus b times a minus b. We know that this is difference of 2 squared, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we can apply this identity to get the answer for the first 2 brackets, a squared minus b squared. So this is the product for the first 2 brackets. So please make a bracket for it. And then copy down the third bracket, a squared plus 4b squared. So what is a in this case? A is a here, so just write down a. And b is 2b, so just write down 2b. So we have a squared minus 2 squared is 4, b squared is b squared. So this is the first bracket, and the second bracket a squared plus 4b squared. So as you can see, we can apply one more time the identity a plus b times a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So a in this case is a squared, b in this case is 4b squared. So we have a squared minus b squared. So which is a squared squared minus b is 4b squared squared. Okay, so we have a to the power 2, then power 2. So we can use a to the power m bracket to the power n equal to a to the power m times n. So 2 times 2, which equal to 4, minus 4 squared, which is 16, b squared squared, so b to the power 4. Okay, that's it. This is the second example. We can here the bracket to the power 3. It means that the bracket times itself for 3 times. So 1 times the second time, and then times the third time. So times itself. Okay. So we handle the first 2 brackets first. We can use rainbow method. Each term in the first bracket times all the terms in the second bracket. So a times a times positive 2b, and then 2b times a, 2b times 2b. So we have for the first term a times a, which is a squared, a times positive 2b, which is positive 2ab, and 2b times a, which is 2ab. 2b times 2b, which is positive 4b squared. Okay, this is the product of the first 2 brackets, and then copy down the third bracket. Let's see whether we can simplify the first bracket. This 2ab plus 2ab are like terms. We can combine them. So we have a squared plus 2 plus 2, which is 4, 4ab plus 4b squared, and then copy down the second bracket. Now we can apply the rainbow method again. We use each term multiplying all the terms, each term in the first bracket multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So a squared times a squared times positive 2b, and then 4ab times a, positive 4ab times 2b, and also 4b, positive 4b squared times a, positive 4b squared times positive 2b. Okay, so we have 6 terms. Let's write it down one by one. A squared times a gives you a to the power 3. A squared times 2b, which is 2a squared b. Positive 4ab times a gives you positive 4a squared b. Positive 4ab times 2b which is 4 times 2 is 8. AB times B, which is AB squared. And the fifth term, 4B squared, positive 4B squared times A, which gives you positive 4AB squared. 4B squared times 2B, which is 4 times 2 is A. B squared times B, which is B to the power 3. So this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third and the fourth. And this is the fifth one and the sixth one. Okay, let's see any like terms here. Oh, we also need to there are 6 terms in total. Okay, let's see any like terms. A squared, the second term and the third term. These 2 terms are like term. You can combine them. So a to the power 3, only 1 term there. 2 plus 4 gives you 6a squared b. And this 4 and 5 are like terms. A plus 4 gives you 12ab squared and plus ab to the power 3. So no other like terms. So that's it. This is the final answer.